I'm from Mauritius, yes. And I'm second time I'm here. And as usual, we really enjoy the food, special food that we never like, we don't usually have. And we enjoy the food, the atmosphere in Orissa. First time I'm coming here, and meeting people. Yeah, it's great. I'm a director of preschool in Mauritius, and also the vice president of youth council.
मेरा नाम मंजू वर्मानी है। मैं दिल्ली में पैदा हुई थी। इंडिया छोड़े मुझे 50 साल हो गए हैं। सो बहुत खुशी हुई आज वापस आके कि मैं इस वक्त टोरंटो कनाडा में रहती हूँ। और यहाँ पे आने से मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है कि जो देश मैं छोड़ के गई थी कितनी प्रोग्रेस कर चुके हैं और प्रोग्रेस होएगी यहाँ पे। It's very wonderful to be here and see all the efforts and the collaboration and the people who are here for this day. It's amazing that India can gather all these people and build communities that will work for us globally and locally. Odisha is beautiful. Yesterday I had the pleasure of going to visit the Jagannath temple, and it was, I feel blessed that I was able to get the darshan. And बहुत बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. It's a wonderful, warm people. I have not, if I did taste them, I didn't know that they were from Odisha. So, but I can tell you that I've been eating non-stop, so I don't eat that much in Canada, but over here, mouth-watering dishes and the culture. The people are so hospitable, kind, nice, smiling, such positivity. It's beautiful to see. I think that's a very amazing goal. I think you might be able to achieve it even before that. You are fully developed. We are no longer the third world country. We are probably between 1 and 2, and it will take very little time to get to 1. But our goals for the environment, for preservation of biodiversity, for renewable energy, I think India needs to be self-sufficient in its power needs, because that itself is changing. Electrification, technology. India is number one. I live in Canada, and I can tell you that the payment system here is much better than what I've seen in Canada. So, because part of the reason is you didn't have a legacy to overcome, right? India leapfrogged into the newest technology because they didn't have the old technology. So those who have, like Canada and the US, have old legacies, they actually have to do two things. They have to kill the old legacy and then build the new one. So it takes longer for them. But it's a beautiful place. It's a land of opportunity. It's now the India dream, no longer the America dream. I think that's where the distinction is. People used to say, think about all the starving children. And now they say you have to compete with India. So better learn to speak Hindi. So it's wonderful to see the progress, and this is my homeland, even though I live in an adopted homeland. But जब भी वापस आती हूँ मुझे बहुत ही आनंद आता है, और there's a connection somewhere here, which is really nice. So thank you to India for having me back and giving me an opportunity to present some of my thoughts.
जदि आपंक आम भिडी भल लगा तेब आम चैनल को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करने को जमा भी भूलु नहीं।